Do you like floats? I know I do. Today, we're going to be doing a root beer float. Welcome to my kitchen, also known as the food lair. Alright, this is a root beer float. Just right for summer. Just right for any occasion. I love root beer floats and eating floats. If you want to find other shakes and floats and things of that nature, check out my other videos on my channel. Be sure to subscribe. And thank you for showing up to my kitchen, also known as the food lair. Good stuff.